Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tuti Mas Lazaro, and I'm from Galuh University. Today, I would like to present about my research proposal with the title "Improving Reading Comprehension by Using Think, Pair, Share Technique." There are for the table content. The table content are for the main point. The first is background of the study. The second is research questions. The third is purpose of the study, and the last is research methodology. The first point is background of the study. According to Burhan 2012, page 8, reading is a physical and mental activity to reveal the meaning of the written text. While in that activity there is a process of knowing letters. It says a physical activity because the part of the body our eyes particularly do it. And it says mental activity because the perception and memory as part of truth are involved in it. He then concludes that the main goal of reading is a process comprehending written text. In this case, the writer used the think, pair, share technique to improving student reading comprehensions, especially students of SMAN 1 Majenang. Based on the researcher observation, students of SMAN 1 Majenang have many difficulties in reading comprehensions. Therefore, teachers must have appropriate learning strategies to help students in reading comprehensions. The teaching use should increase the student interest in reading to avoid boredom. Furthermore, this study will fill the gap by investigating the use of think, pair, share technique to improve student reading comprehensions. And next is research question. There are 2 points of the research questions. The first is, how is the student achievement in reading comprehensions after being taught by using TPS strategy? And the second, how is the student achievement in reading comprehensions before being taught by using TPS strategy? Next, the purpose of the study. To increase how the student achievement in reading comprehensions after being taught by using TPS strategy, and to increase how the student achievement in reading comprehensions before being taught by using TPS strategy. And the next is research methodology. The first is research design. In this research, the researcher used classroom action research or CAR. CAR is a simple research to solve the problem usually done by a teacher. Nowadays, classroom action research is not a new research design in education because education faculty often conducted seminar or training activities for the teachers or trainers to introduce this design. According to Kusuma 2010, classroom action research is the research which the teacher acts in the class by using the planning, implementing, and reflecting to increase the student scores. And the second is population and sample. The first is population. The population involved in this study will be the English teachers at SMAN Majenang. Besides, who becomes the sample in this research are 2 English teachers in SMAN 1 Majenang. The second is sample. This study will use random sampling as a sampling technique. The writer chooses second-year student of SMAN Majenang. They had studied English as a foreign language for about 2 years. The writer used one class. English teacher as a sample based on their experience in teaching interaction, so that it can fulfill the needs of this research. So it will help the writer to obtain the purposes of this research. And third is research side. The research will be taken in SMA N1 Majenang. It's also located on Pahonjan Street, Majenang, Cilacap, Central Java. The fourth is data collection. There are two data collection used in this research. The first is observation and the second is interview. Observation. The observation will be conducted at the beginning of the study. And the second is interview. Interview process will give the deeper information for interviewer from interviewer. The interviewer gave some questions to collect the data about the important features of the classroom interaction, especially regarding the classroom activity, classroom language, and the data about the school social environment. Finally, the data obtained through the observation and interview will be analyzed by generalizing and interpreting the data. Okay, this is the research, research, the research proposal. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.